Hey guys, this is Alicia. Welcome back to Lunata Beauty's channel. Today I've got a new product to show you. I'm super excited. It is the Lunata Hot Brush. And what we're gonna do today is show you how to smooth out your hair at home. Danielle's gonna do half and I'm gonna do half for you. So as per usual, we're just get started. I'm gonna press the power button. This guy goes up to 450 and I'm gonna let it go to full heat so that we can really smooth out the hair. And while that heats up, I am gonna take the new Belisa paddle brush and I'm just gonna get started by brushing out air-dried hair. This is a really great product to use at home when you're looking to get ready for work in like 10 minutes. So one of the awesome features about Lunata's products is that it actually shows you right on the screen how hot it is, and it heats up pretty quickly. Again, it ranges from 200 to 450. You can do anywhere from 360 to 450, and this guy will last for 40 minutes. So I definitely recommend making sure it's fully charged before you leave the house with it. But it also works while charging. So if, God forbid, if it dies on you, you can just plug her in and get started. So to make this easy for you at home, I would recommend taking your hair into 3 sections, starting at the top of the hair. And I'm gonna do the same thing towards the nape of the neck. And then at the back of your neck, you wanna split your hair in 2 sections. So once your brush is nice and hot, you're gonna take it and just start to smooth it right out at your root. And you'll be able to feel a little bit of tension. And I like to hold the hair underneath the brush, and I find that gives it the smoothest result. So I'm gonna take down my next section, and I'm leaving the other half of the head so that Danielle can show you how she would do it on herself. And the nice thing about having a brush with bristles on a hot tool is that you can really avoid touching the heat to your scalp. So when I use a brush like this, again, really want to emphasize that I'm going above and below the hair strand, and that is to get maximum smoothness. I'm moving on to my last section here. And again, Danielle's got quite a bit of hair, so 40 minutes is really all you need. That should be ample time. And if you want more of a blown out look, once you've gone through and smoothed your whole head, you can take your front pieces and kind of just pull them under, like the same way you would with a round brush. All right, so Danielle is gonna grab the tool and she's gonna show you how to do the other side of her hair. And once you've got your bottom section nice and smooth, you can take down more hair. For a more blown out look, you want to pull the brush underneath to give it the effect that a round brush would. All right guys, so here is our finished result. So we have worked our way through the top section of the head, and now the hair is nice and smooth and finished and ready to go. And there you have it. There's our look. Thanks for joining us, guys. See you next time.